In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play "Seen the Rain" by Creedence Clearwater Revival. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Have you ever seen the rain? That's a Creedence Clearwater classic, sung by the great John Fogerty. What a voice, really unique. By the way, please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'd really appreciate it. And hit me up if you got any comments or whatever. So this song has a little intro, and then it's got the verse feel and the chorus feel. I'm going to run through it for you. So it starts out with an A minor, F, C, G. It sounds like this. So that little lick there, the bass is actually doing it. So if you want to do it on the guitar, you can. But if you don't, you can just play minor. And then the verse starts out. Back to C. Same thing again. C. Rain, the sun, the G. I know. Shining down out of the water. Ready for the chorus? Here we go. I want to know. C walk down. Have you ever seen? Walk down. F, Comin, G, on a sunny day. That is the chorus. I'm going to break down that little walk down for you, because the rest of it is really, really simple. So it's F, so here's the way he does it. He takes a C chord. Then you drop your second finger down a half step to the 2 on the A string, and then the pinky picks up the 3 on the B string, which is a D note. So, okay, I'm just doing a down strum. A minor, 7, G. That's the way I do it. So basically I'm making a C, B note, A string, A minor, 7th, G. So yeah, your bass notes are. So I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Same thing. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Back to F. Coming down G. So in this one again, I emphasize the kind of that right hand strum drang thing. So just to take apart that intro lick, when it goes A minor, C, and then this lick is just on your G string, 2nd fret, open, D string, 2nd fret, twice, pick up that open G, and then land on your C chord. And then as you'll see through the song, there's a bass line that goes. That's Stu Cook, my buddy Stu Cook, playing that line, and I've known for years, Bay Area guy. I used to live in Berkeley. I think he's in Austin now, but that's another story. All right?
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
So I'm going to play through the whole thing for you just so you can take apart what I just showed you. And I'll play intro, verse, and chorus, and that way you have the way it all fits together. Comes the chorus, you ready? I wanna know, walk it down, never seen the rain. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. So that's an example of a classic Creedence Clearwater. It's a song that I think translates really well to acoustic guitar. And if you got a couple of players, you know, even better. A little strum and drang. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.